Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and today we are making chocolate-covered pretzel trees to celebrate Tu Bishvat. And this recipe is extra special because I made it so that your kids could do it by themselves. No heat, no appliances, for real, all by themselves. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Down there. I put out videos all year round on raising Jewish kids and celebrating the holidays in all those different ways. If you click the little bell, you'll even get a notification about it. So here is everything we will need today. This is one whole bag of green candy melts for our chocolate covered pretzels, of course, and then our pretzels. These small pretzels will be our leaves on our trees. These sticks will act as our trunks. These pretzels were called pretzel dippers. You could also use pretzel rods or maybe a couple pretzel sticks put together for your trunks. And then to decorate, I have green sugar sprinkles, some red mini M&Ms that I picked out of the mix, and then these are tiny little pineapple sprinkles. I found these at Michael's. So our first step is to take these candy melts and pour them right into a giant Ziploc bag. This is how we're going to melt them. One of the nice things about candy melts is that they are made to melt easily and harden easily. And so we're going to put them into this pot of hot water. This is just hot water right out of my tap. I'm going to make sure it is closed and put it in here to melt. Now it's going to be a little harder to see because I have it in a pot, but because a pot has these tall walls, there's less chance of it overflowing too. You could do it in a bowl, but it's a little sloshier. Oh, look at this. It's already starting to melt. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check on this. Oh man, it is all melted in there. No, I'm not really measuring here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. We want to make sure all of the pretzels are able to get covered in chocolate and then a little bit left over to make sure that they can really stick to each other. Let's see. I'm going to do a little bit more. That many. And then we're going to tidy this, close this up. Oh, actually, I think I'm going to leave some air in there when I zip it up. And then we're going to mix it all around. Trying to get all the bits at the bottom. All right, so those are coated. The first thing that I'm going to do is scoop one pretzel and then put on my trunk. And then I'm going to scoop a bunch of other pretzels on top. Make sure to get a lot of that chocolate goo because that is what's going to make it all stick together. But look, it just naturally falls in the shape of a tree. Just like that. We're going to pretend this is an apple tree with my M&Ms. And then, because sprinkles make everything better, we'll do some sprinkles on all of them. So now we need these to harden. You can leave them on the counter to harden, or you can just throw them in the refrigerator or the freezer for a second. All right, you guys, I just got them out of the freezer. Look. Oh, I can't do it like that. But look, I can do it like this. How cute, right? And super yummy. Everyone will be so impressed. If you make these, take a picture, share it with me on social media. I am Everyday Jewish Mom everywhere. If you eat them before you take a picture, I totally understand. Really, I do. If you want more awesome ideas of how to celebrate Jewish holidays with your kids and more recipes on cooking with your kids, go ahead and subscribe to my email newsletter. There's a link down in the box below, and I have all kinds of different videos for you to check out.